Are you experiencing your past, present, and future all at once? Could it be that as you sit there, watching or listening right now, you are also crying out as a newborn and, in another blink of eternity, taking your final breath? Strangely enough, the answer, according to some interpretations of physics, may be yes. But how can such a counterintuitive idea possibly be true? What does it really mean, and what is the actual nature of time? Let's start by reshaping our common understanding. Picture the universe as more than a collection of stars and planets scattered through endless emptiness. Imagine it as a vast cube, one enormous block called space-time. Every single event, every laugh, every death, every galactic collision takes place inside this four-dimensional block. In this vision, the passage of time is not a cosmic film unspooling in front of our eyes, but something altogether stranger. Think of a child who draws, not just one picture, but a series. Each frame a snapshot of everything happening in the universe at a particular moment. Living things come into being and pass away, civilizations rise and fall, and maybe you, right now, miss a bus. With each second, the child adds another picture. Laid out in a sequence, these pictures form a movie. The movie we mistake for reality because we only ever see one frame at a time, the now. It's tempting to imagine the past as gone forever. Reaching for it is like grasping at smoke. The future is a blank script, waiting for our actions to fill it in. Moments happen in order, neatly lined up, the past forever behind, and the future perpetually ahead. That is what our senses tell us. But what if the universe doesn't play by our rules? What if our cosmic child finished all the pictures and stacked them together into a thick cube? All moments would coexist, a tapestry where every event, past, present, and future, shares space. It's mind-bending. Could dinosaurs and distant Martian cities, the moment you're born and the moment you die, all exist at once, woven into the same fabric? According to Einstein's theory of relativity, the answer is subtle and profound. In relativity, space and time are not separate. They're fused into a single entity called space-time. When you move through space, you're simultaneously moving through time, and each observer traces a unique path through the space-time cube. Imagine 3 spaceships, each a million light-years away. Spaceship 1 floats still. Its occupants share your now. For Spaceship 2, moving away from you at high speed, the now they observe elsewhere in the universe aligns with your past. They see your ancestors alive, your history unfolding as their present. Spaceship 3, headed toward you at comparable speed, lines up with your future. They might witness your descendants building domes on Mars. All 3 ships exist. But which now is real? Relativity tells us all of them. Reality, in this view, is profoundly democratic. Each observer carves out their own present from the block of space-time. There's no privileged slice, no universal now that governs the whole universe. Your reality is just one cross-section among infinite others. Somewhere in the cosmos, from the perspective of a speeding alien, you are a toddler. From another, you are yet unborn. The boundaries between past, present, and future blur. But if the future already exists in space-time, is it unchangeable? Are all our choices set in stone, with every twist of fate predetermined? This is the unsettling implication of the block universe perspective. If every moment is equally real, then perhaps there is no free will. Only a cosmic sculpture in which all actions are already etched. Still, this idea doesn't fully capture the mysterious world of the very small, the quantum realm. In the quantum world, events don't unfold with certainty. Take a radioactive atom. We can calculate the odds that it'll decay in the next minute, but no one, human or alien prophet or particle physicist, can say when the decay will truly happen. This randomness isn't the product of ignorance, but a fundamental property of the universe. And thanks to quantum randomness, the future is not locked in the same way as the past. Imagine, a quantum event causes a subtle mutation that, generations later, creates a life form never seen before. Alter that event, delay it by a millisecond, for instance, and the new species never arises. The path of reality forks, driven by quantum uncertainties. If the quantum world is undetermined, then so is the future. But what happens when something uncertain becomes certain? When an atom decays? When a choice is made? Is that the moment we call now? Yet in relativity, there's no universal now, only the ever-changing and relative perspectives of countless observers. Each person, each particle in the universe, forges its own unrepeatable journey, from birth to death. So we reach a strange conclusion. For you, there is a clear beginning and end to life, separated by all the moments you experience as now. For others, distant aliens, speeding spaceships, the boundaries of your now snake and shift. Reality is not a single flat plane, but a jagged surface, shaped by the countless points of view throughout the cosmos. Does time then consist merely of an ever-growing layer, the present, wrinkled and uneven, lying atop the settled past? Maybe. Perhaps reality is not a frozen sculpture, but a living, branching tree, expanding as each new certainty is born. The future grows, moment by moment, shaped by quantum chance and the choices of every thinking being. Where does this leave us? We began by imagining time as a film, each frame giving way to the next. Then physics taught us about cosmic democracy. Every now is equally valid. Some interpretations suggest a fixed, static universe, while others hint at a future endlessly branching from the present. Ultimately, we don't have consensus. Some physicists describe time as a concept with no fundamental reality, a shadow cast by deeper processes. Others consider it emergent, something woven out of the interactions of more basic entities, kind of like heat emerges from jostling molecules. So, are you experiencing your past, present, and future at once? If we trust the space-time cube, they're all there, somewhere, waiting to be seen by the right observer. But for you, here and now, the past is memory, the future a mystery, Tezi, and the present, your present, is where your life unfolds. Time remains, for now, one of the universe's great secrets. And that, perhaps, is what makes it so fascinating. A reminder that there is still so much left to explore and understand, as long as we keep asking questions and searching for answers amidst the shifting sands of the universe. Did you find our videos helpful? Please like and subscribe to our channel so we can be motivated to answer the questions that people are still wondering about.